Come make I tell you something. Igbo people say, "Can job." I want to ask you something. You know the thing I want to ask you. I want to ask you why you never call me since. You know they hear my number for screen since. Abi, you don't know the number. Pick your phone. Because the moment you call me, you buy my number. You don't buy land with that. Now maybe the key to your next property. You don't know. Now Madam Peku Africa, all the way from Mercy Divine Properties Limited. Now be the key to that your new land document where you supposed collect since. Now be the reason why you supposed call me. Because real estate, that's investing into properties, lands and homes, is the highest business or investment that can give you the highest return, that's highest profit in your investment. And it has very low risk, and the risk will only come if you go invest with the wrong company. But here, you are investing with the talking man too. The people will get integrity and transparency. Now for Mercy Divine Properties today, now make you supposed to call me, make you come buy our new Banana Highland that is selling for 7 million naira and is located just off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. Make I call the number 090-3429-6519. If you call me, I'll carry you go inspection. You see the land with your koro eyes. You see say a very good land, table land with good access routes to anywhere we want. East West Road to Woji Road to Odili Road. So many access routes, even very close to Port-Harcourt Refinery. That make you need to call me. Anywhere where you deal, they listen to me from. Call me or send me a message on WhatsApp. Madam Peku Africa, sit down for office and they wait for you. And they wait for you.